Mmm. Oh. Yummy pancake. Is that good, Elizabeth? Is that good? Yes. Can Mama have some?
Huh?
Can I have some? Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, it's very good. So next on our agenda is we take a bath. You say bath? Bath? Bath time. Yay, bath time. Show them how to splash. Are you going to splash? That's a splash.
Huh?
Splash. Oh, kisses. Mwah. Mwah.
Yeah.
Bath time.
Take it out.
Camera. Bath. Bath time. She likes her cups.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh. Why am I?
What is this? Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you.
Chat, chat.
Happy birthday to you.
Chat, chat, chat.
Happy birthday, dear Elizabeth. Happy birthday to you. Ah. Mmm. This is Elizabeth's first birthday.
It's just her cake. It's cake.
Mmm.
Yummy. Why don't you eat off all the frosting and leave the rest alone?
You're probably right.
Wow. Recording. She's recording.
Ooh, is that yummy?
Dig in. Come on, Lizzie. Dig in. Eat that one.
It's rainbow too.
A handful.
I missed it. So we tried to do a rainbow.
Didn't really work out well, though.
Yeah, it did. Look, there's green, red, blue, and purple.
That's purple? I thought it was brown. It looks like chocolate.
Oh. Mama's gonna have to clean up everything.
Oh, look at that big glob of frosting. Lucky. You lucky thing.
Well, here, why don't you focus it on her, and I will go cut you a slice.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Just don't turn it sideways, please.
Can't zoom in.
Is that
You don't have
yummy?
to zoom in. You have to just move it in.
Is it yummy?
Yum.
Daddy, you want a piece of cake?
Yum, yum.
Pretty.
This is Nona's gift.
Pretty.
Sure, you got my gift. Can you help? Take out the card. Oh. Oh.
Pretty paper.
What's in there? More paper.
Pretty paper.
there's something in there.
Pretty paper.
I didn't know 4 pieces of paper would last so long. What is that? Oh, it's a box.
It's a
Can
box.
I stand on it?
Oh. Take me again.
Say thank you.
Take me again.
Nona gave us this really nice card. And $5,
Take me again.
which will go into that piggy bank. Hi. Whack. Hi. I love you too. Party in. Yes.
Would you get the shower up before you
Yes. Yes.
Mama.
You say hi.
Hi.
You gonna give a kiss? Okay, mwah. Gonna give a kiss, Lizzie? Mwah.
Actually, it's the last one. It's the last Horcrux.
You gonna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Papa.